Hello, this is Howie Jones, and this is a fellow named Raspberry, and he's moving some bark mulch and he's making layers. So we'll just follow him around a little bit. Yeah, he's making a pathway soil bank. This is the last layer on top of the bank. So we'll follow him for a little bit, see what's going on. And this is bark mulch that's 6 months old, and leaves. You can see the leaves in here. There's a lot of leaves, layers of leaves, coffee grounds. So we'll just follow Mr. Raspberry. Oh, this is his last layer in his pathway soil bank. And this soil bank is 5 feet deep. And underneath is all coffee grounds and kitchen waste. And this is what he picked this morning, deadheaded the rhodos. And this is his chop and drop here. And this is his 5-6 month old leaves and bark mulch and coffee ground. Anything to say, Mr. Barry?
Well, basically I'm just piling it up here and I'll make this look pretty later. Then we'll move the boat onto there and then start covering here.
Well, there's a lot of layers you did here.
Yep.
You put in this is what you took off of the rhodos and azaleas this morning. And then this was chop and drop from the tree and everything, all the flowers. And now you're putting this layer on top of all that. So pathway soil bank. We put kitchen waste in as well, coffee grounds and lawn clippings, lots of leaves, and it just turns the soil. Anything else you'd like to say, Mr. Raspberry?
We're laughing all the way to the bank.
The soil bank.
The soil bank.
Yeah, well, you know what, that is like black gold. The soil bank.
Will be.
Well, yeah, it's just like gold. I mean, this all turns to soil. There's 5 feet right here. 5 feet of soil. So yeah. And here's the.
Almost up to the bottom of the window.
Yeah. This used to be a lawn, and now it's full of fruit. And you see this fruit there, and this is a walnut tree and stuff like that. And here's a japonica acer and some yellow flag berry, and here's some rhodo still hanging on. And you see that it's all been deadheaded, the rhodo, but you don't touch the little nodes. You see the little nodes are there? See the little node that's there? You want to keep the node, but you want to deadhead it, and it gets, sometimes you'll get a second blooming 2 every year by doing that. Sometimes, not all the time. Up here's some goji. Here's some goji. And here's another soil bank here. This is what I'm walking down. This is all another pathway soil bank. Well, this is Howie Jones. And this is Mr. Raspberry. Well, that's it. Peace and love, everybody. Peace and love.